They say, I got you. Make you wait first until you find yourself in some kind situation. Now you go know who truly got you. Because sometimes people say those things because they believed you are okay and they just want to make their way into your life. That is the more reason why you should be very, very careful with your circles, including your family members. Say at some point they go dey tell you, go girl, but now you know what you dey go through, now you know what you want. Now you go stand, now you know go gree because life go definitely push you. E go carry you reach that limit where you go come dey ask yourself question say, how did I even get here? How is my life this way? Why am I being treated the way I am being treated? But last, now you go stand strong, say no, life, you no go do me like this. So now me still get am and na God na in the run am. Now the whole truth for inside this Reggie and her brother Swizzy matter, e don surface the internet o, like everywhere don burst last. Hey, my people, this life even our siblings, our brother, our sister, sometimes they go misbehave. Na you go come dey ask, na the same mama or na the same papa na im born us so? Because omo, I can't fit to believe that this whole story is true coming from Regina Daniel brother wey dey for obodo na London. Because now online in-laws don dey talk am say no wonder im dey try all im possible best to make sure say Reggie settle with Ipa by all means. Im dey do all im best make dem sha settle, make she no leave the marriage because im know say if she leave the marriage, definitely this thing wey surface so, wey come reveal the whole secret now, say e go come and im never ready for it to come now. But they say sometimes things happen so that you will know the kind of calibers of people you have around you. My people, according to the information now wey dey fly wah and wo, make una bring una chair come closer, make una come hear matter. I say my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. Before I go cap una wetin dey sup, the cocoa of the cocoa I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so that they go notify you anytime we will drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. Una remember the story as we dey carry am dey come according to how e take start, wey Omoyele Sowore carry Reggie hand over to another activist for obodo na London there, make e help am continue from where e stop based on say im na Naija im dey and im no go come because of Reggie come follow her dey go UK, you understand. But as e be say anywhere you go, activists dem full there, dem fit take over from where im stop. E even trust the ones wey be say dem even dey for UK pass the ones wey be say dem dey for Nigeria. Im believe say dey go do their work well. So before Regina go say jack, the woman wey dey for there, wey take Regina as mama, e take her like a daughter, e take her like a friend, e take her like sister and all, come start dey do the waka for Regina to get an asylum, also to get council home. Now to the glory of God, they give Regina Daniel a council home. Even when Ned Nwoko dey shout say may nobody carry im name go get an asylum o, may nobody go do drama for dem, make dem carry asylum give any person o, say no pursue anybody for im house and the person dey very okay for house. e get everything at his beck and call. So if person come go there go do any drama make dem no answer am, dem no still answer network o. Dem still dey facilitate the process, dem still dey work on how Regina Daniel go get the asylum, and she is going to get it. So as dem dey do dat one dey go, dey do plenty things for ground. Now council home was part of it until when Regina Daniel bin don dey say tor since she don come her brother get place, but because the brother and the girl wey im dey date wey born pikin for am, una know say Swizzy get woman for im life, even though we hear say e never marry her legally, but the woman don born pikin for am allegedly, according to wetin we hear o, say the woman dem never marry her finish, like dem never plait the remaining thread for her head but dem don plait small, so im never marry her legally, but they are okay and im don get pikin for Swizzy, dem dey together, you understand. So as e dey be, Regina on the other end, she no wan in a situation whereby she go come inconvenience her brother. Now when Regina dey for obodo na Nigeria, virtually all the money wey she dey get, according to the information from the information center, dey say Regina dey pack the money dey send for her brother. E just be like when your brother dey obodo oyibo, e go dey send money come for una for Nigeria make una use am dey acquire one or two keep for am, so that when e go finally return, e go get where e go come hide im head. Sometimes dem go say build house, buy car, buy this, buy that, so that by the time wey dem finally return from obodo oyibo, dem go get where dey go come hide their head. Now the reverse was the case. Regina on the other end dey pack money allegedly dey send for the brother Swizzy make im dey use am do one or two and make im get a place, as if she know that a day like this will come, because according to the Regina Daniel herself, she say if not for her children, say na because of dis same children of hers, based on say dem still small small, na im make she never comot since, that she hold on to dis very time because of her children, meaning say e don tey wey dis thing don dey happen dey come. So being say she don already get am for mind say dis marriage, omo, I am tired, I am fed up, I don't even want to do again, she don already dey plan herself dey come say tor, since im brother dey for obodo na London, make she dey send money for am, make im dey keep, dey keep, dey keep, if possible whether dem go fit get a place for there. Asylum or council home no even come her mind, because she in ten d to enter there in big, like very very big. Una know say normally Regina na pikin wey be say e get big eye, and im eye dey see good things well 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 well. So she no even go asylum matter, or say her story go be like this wey be say e go dey very touching to the ex ten t where people go come dey give her suggestion of say make she seek for an asylum, this one that one, or say dem go give her council home based on wetin she don go through. So no be that one na im be her own. She sha just gather the money for the brother hand, so that anytime wey she come there, she go get a lot, get thank you, get very much to spend and to use do one or two wey she wan do, without her start questioning herself say why she even comot for the marriage sef, say e no worth am. Now for her own end, she feel say omo, the money wey she don gather for the brother hand, it is time for her to call it over, so that by the time wey she go go move on peacefully with her life over there, set up herself with the money wey she don gather for the brother hand to do other things one or two. Una know say na as Reji enter there, na im she start dey work on her brand type shit, based on say as she come out come, when dem ask her say wetin she really wan talk concerning wetin Ipa don do her, so that they go know wetin they go defend and wetin they go fight for. She come out come dey do type shit type shit, as the thing come dey popular, e come become another name entirely wey dem wan carry give her enemy. Na im as she enter London there, idea just come her head say omo, if she get her brand of clothes, shoes, wristwatch, bag and all, come brand am type shit say she go really sell o. While she dey sell for there, she go also dey send for her friends for Nigeria make dem dey sell wholesale and retail anybody wey want. So dat way her name will continue to ring in people's mind. So na so Regina start dey waka her waka. To the glory of God, a friend of hers, she come go get friend for there wey also dey help her dey get endorsement here and there. Dey become an influencer to one or two. So she's just trying her best to build up herself to become the best version of herself. While she was trying to do that rebranding, say e require lot of money. As the day dey talk say toh she go go find a place where she will stay so that the brother can have freedom with im wife, make e no come be like say na she come from Nigeria come scatter their relationship. Say she no go want am like that, or she no go wan come give dem space to live their life. You know na as e dey be, husband and wife matter sometimes e get as e dey always be. She no wan come become a indicious hindrance to their love life and all. So she come dey say toh enough money already don dey, make dem find place before God come do that wonders wey dem come say dem don give her council home. Anytime wey she ready, she is free to pack in, and that she is not going to pay until when she is balanced enough, when she is ready that okay oh I don balance reach, before she will start paying. And e get as e go still take be, she fit still no pay sef even after her children come join her. Toh as that one come comot for the topic, I know say the brother go happy, because when Regina even talk about say she wan go look for house, make dem help her, make agent start dey look for house for her, make she rent stay, the brother don dey talk say no need now. Why would she say she want to look for a place? And she no want anything disrespect, because the more eye dey see eye, in-law, before you know e go lose am. Before you know, you wey dey greet you good morning ma, time go reach dey go say good morning, time go later reach dey go say good, time go later reach dey no go greet at all. So she don already know, she dey avoid all those unnecessary drama. So na im make she wan create standard for herself as the wife of the ex-senator's wife, and a beautiful Nollywood actress for that matter. She need to create standard for herself so that they no go see her finish. So na im make she wan give herself that required, you understand, that kind thing. So as the brother come dey do one or two wey be say she no like, she come dey see some trace of, immediately she talk about the house matter, say dem dey look for house and all, e come get as im come dey behave. E no come dey get enough time for her, dem no even get time to discuss, if she even to snap pictures and all. Thank God she even later got friends around that dey now go out together, dey take pictures together. Una dey see all the videos and pictures wey she dey do these days, una dey see say other faces don enter without the brother. So she come dey get friends around wey be say if she wan go snap, she wan go do video and all, dem dey always follow her, dey have her time. So dem dey follow go do wetin dem wan do. But she still, she no mind, until when dem come announce to her, bring that letter say okay it has been approved, she don have a council home. She say toh thank God, since that one don comot for the table, house matter don comot for the matter, allegedly according to the story. So now make she work under her brand. She want to produce lot so that she go fit send am come Nigeria for her friends to sell during this festive, so that by the time wey she send am come, that is dem don automatically, if dey pay, she will do more and all. Business don start be that o, brand don come to stay and all. She need office, she need a business place and all, so that by the time wey she start, she go get where she go sample, dem too go patronize her, and she go also dey snap, dey send for Nigeria people the video as well, so that people wey come from obodo na Nigeria, if dem wan come check up on her, they go get where they go check up on her on, they go get where they go come wey be her office. So she dey try to work on all those things put together. Na im dey say Reji come ask im brother say toh she need so amount of money o, how far, I need am so day so time. Na im dey say the brother come tell her say allegedly say she have to wait, say im put the money for forex, say and so month na im the money go mature wey im go get the interest to use. Say but for now the money wey dey im hand e no reach the money wey madam say she want. Na im Deji come tell am say all the money that is with you, these are the amount you are telling me that is available? The brother say yes. Before you know, she never even talk go far, the brother wife don dey provocate, dey tie face, dey swell up, dey poof, say as in what, wetin for her mind now, wetin you dey talk, why you dey accuse my husband, abi what really? Now she don dey show herself o, she don dey buga dey show. The brother could not even say a word. Na im she come ask Deji say toh your brother said he has used the money for forex, why not hold on for him to collect his profit? Once the profit is out, he will give you both the gain and the capital and all. Na im Regina say I am highly disappointed. She come start dey cry. Before you know, na im the wife come tell am say it's all these things I've said I don't like, I don't want it. Let her return back to her husband's house. What is she even doing here in the very first instance? Because when you guys were not together, I can see the respect, everything is there. Now that you guys are together, I can't understand. I am finding it difficult to understand. What's all this? This one, that one, like. So the girl started talk anyhow. They talk back at Regina Daniel, even when Regina did not even reply, did not even answer, because of say im know, the brother know talk say im don F up. So e no even reply o, e no talk anything o, e just dey there. Na the Regina Daniel in-law wey be the wife of the Swizzy now, na she come allegedly dey fight the matter, carry the matter for head like gala. Dey tell Regina to her face say why not return back to your husband, because there you don need all this waiting for money, for jungle to mature, this one, that one. You know say that one no know how far they've come. E no know how Regina take do gather that money wey she carry give the brother. Im be think say a day like this will not come, say na so she go continue to dey gather, im go continue to dey squander, e go dey gather, e go dey squander, e go dey gather, e go dey squander with im wife. E no know say a day like this will ever come. Abi na wetin e even dey think I no know, wey make the wife come dey talk all those things put together. Now see am, e don finally clear. My people, it is well o. See the same brother wey be say e dey do like say e carry the matter for head, just one call, everywhere don scatter. Imagine Regina Daniel to her face, Swizzy wife, abi na girlfriend, dey tell her say let her return back to her husband's house. What is she even doing here? I am like, see person wey dey send money for, wey dey live life, dey live luxury with her Regina Daniel money. Now time reach, you dey tell am say what is she even waiting for? Let her go back to her husband's house. Omo, things really dey happen o. I say I hear this news, my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. Say wait o, that adage wey talk say if you no know where you dey come from, if you no know where you dey go, you suppose know where you dey come from. I think say at this point, Regina Daniel for don know the kind brothers wey she even get before now. She suppose don know say, and again, anything money matter, they no dey trust woman being with am. No matter your relationship with somebody, when it has to do with money, integrity dey always shake. Money matter, integrity dey always shake. You might end up thinking that this one na my own o, this one na my flesh and blood. At the end of the day, the person go come show you shege. You know say if you dey deal with outsider, you can decide to do the person anything wey you wan do am. But in as much as say na brother for dis one now, you no even get wetin you wan do. Imagine you open mouth dey tell person wey don gather money for your hand how many $1,000, how many euro, e go give you time so dat you go collect your gain and capital so dat you go fit give am im money back. Your wife get mouth, you for your very korokoro eye dey tell your sister wey be the sacrificial lamb, wey be say she go through a lot for Ipa hand just to give you all the best life ever, because na the influence of Ipa na im you take travel comot so. Na wetin Ipa talk be dat o, no be say na me dey talk am o. Na im you open mouth now down dey allow your woman dey talk to her anyhow. I pray dat Regina Daniel will be able to overcome all dis. If dis information dey true, omo, na im be say Swizzy don F up big time and e no deserve Regina Daniel loyalty again for dis life. Even her trust, e just lose am like dis o, because make it make sense. After everything, this is how you are going to pay her back for bringing herself as the sacrificial lamb for you people, keeping herself as the ladder for you people to climb to the top. Now see am, na now day break. Dey say na when things happen na you go know who really gat you. My people, na the matter be dis o. No be small thing na im dey happen o for obodo na Naija o. Nothing wey human being no go hear o. It is well. My people, say if to say true true Regina Daniel no come get council home, she no get where she go park go, she no get any, na so dem go use her money take go do forest. My people, it is well o. May God no let us find ourselves for situation wey pass us, because na that time na you go know say life no be am at all at all. May God continue to dey come through for us and come through for Regina Daniel at this trying time of her life, because omo, this one deep, e enter. Make una suffer drop una opinion for the comment section. What do you guys expect from this lady at this point in time? What do you want her to do? Make she leave am for God? Just forget, enter, do like say nothing ever existed between them, live her life, go stay for her place, look for work do, or call people wey she need to call to get more money, or work on the small money wey remain, work on the brand, start from there first before God go do am? Or what are your advice to her? Make una drop am for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.